Let's debate it. Is blaming the victim going to backfire? I think we're seeing a new trend where it's like defense attorneys are going, hey, take the stand and just say whatever you want. I'm looking the other way. I mean, really, isn't that dirty
Jane?
pool, Rebecca Nitkin?
Well, actually, there's no direct evidence in this case. It's circumstantial evidence, and the coroner can't decide whether or not it's a suicide or a homicide, so everything is going to revolve around whether or not she committed suicide, and this is going directly to whether or not she's depressed. It is the proper thing to do as a defense attorney, and it's not going out there just, out there, because exactly what we just heard, the person that she allegedly had the affair with, that he is saying she slept with this guy, exists. So
one of the reasons why they can't tell whether it's a homicide or a suicide is because of the fire. This guy is a CSI instructor. On the dining room table, they found a manual connected to a PowerPoint presentation, how to distinguish between homicide and suicide in a fire. Yes, she said that. She said, he told me my wife's dead and I killed her. Then he said, well, she committed suicide. But the first words out of his mouth were, I killed her. I'm responsible.
But he's talking to a therapist, Jane.
No,
so,
no, well, that's
but the point is, she is in therapy.
The point is, he confessed.
She is in therapy, okay?
Yeah,
so
well,
now you're getting back into the...
He needs therapy. Hold on, much more in the trial of a handsome ex-cop. They were both in therapy. A handsome ex-cop accused of killing his beautiful young wife, and later, George Zimmerman, Trayvon Martin. Who was screaming on that 911 call? Let's debate it. Did this former sheriff's deputy and CSI instructor, crime scene investigation instructor, think because he is part of law enforcement, because his brother is a cop, because his dad was a cop, that he would be given a pass, and when he said, no, I didn't kill her, that they would accept his word for it, and I'll throw that at Rebecca Nitkin for the defense.
I don't think so. And I think that the other thing you have to look at, Jane, is you just got a call from somebody who just told you that he didn't get burned because there probably wasn't much fire. You also saw a witness who was a next-door neighbor who spoke and said he didn't do it. And they were such a lovely couple, and nothing was wrong in the house. And that brings you to the point that nobody knows what's going on in that home, which also means nobody knows if Vashti was depressed or not, which leads us back to the question, does he have the right to bring out the things that he is bringing out, which everybody is so upset about?
Come on, help me out here.
Jane, if he was such a brilliant cop who thought he could get away with it, why would he torch his computer and put it in the garbage can at the police station? I mean, if he's such a mastermind,
because he's not all that brilliant. Because he let his emotions run away with him. He's clearly not that brilliant.
And
he's arrogant.
Was
he was stoic. He was not remorseful. But listen,
because he didn't
this woman did not commit suicide. She was moving forward with her life. She had filed for divorce.
You don't
she had
know
made
that.
future
you
plans.
do not know
the
that.
counselor
It's good to
said that she was in a
Listen.
better